What's up guys, here's a quick video on how to import free templates in your MT4 platform, how to save a new template, and at the end of the video I'll show you an MT4 time saver hack. Alright, if you haven't downloaded the free templates yet, you can get them on the description below. After downloading, go to the zip folder, right click and extract it. I'm using a 7-zip extractor, so make sure you have one. Extract them here, and here we go. Go to the folder and select or copy the TPL or template file. Say you want to use template number 6, copy, go to the platform, file, open data folder, templates, and currently you have 4 templates here, paste, and there you go. You may close this window now and go to templates icon and you will see it here, template number 6. There you go. Now say you want to change the color of this one. Whatever you want to change, make sure to save it. So right click, properties, go to grid, then choose gold, hit OK. There you go. Now if you like this already, save the template. You can use a new name or overwrite the previous name. So new template, hit save. There you go. Now look at this one. Every time you open a new chart, it's using the default setting, the default template. Let's open another one. Now what other traders do is they go back here, then they use their new template, which is not productive. So I'll show you the hack. Now you can save this new template as a default. Save template, overwrite this one, default, and save. So you want to replace it? Yes. Now look, every time you open a new one, now it's showing the new template. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. If you want to get notified every time I release a video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Cheers. And at the end of the video I'll show you on how to currently you have 4 templates here, so paste your new template, close this window, go to the zip file, extract it. Whatever application you're using to extract files, that will do. I'm using 7-zip. Extract here.